welcome to Shelly's Corner, where we share everyday tips of daily living to help you save time and money. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you never miss a video. In today's video, we'll be doing a simple summer entertainment outdoor. It's all about using what you have by shopping your own home. Let's get started in today's video.